If you're like me and you're interested in healthy aging, then at some point you may have considered taking NMN. But then you're probably also aware of the ongoing debate about whether this stuff actually provides anti-aging benefits or not. It's supposed to do things like reduce brain fog, support hair growth, give you more energy, but does it actually work or is it just hype? Well, I've been taking it daily over the past 5 years, and I want to share my actual experience with you so you can decide if it makes sense for you. I'll also explain what it does, how to ensure you're not getting fake NMN, and give you my exact dose and the brand that I use. But first of all, what the hell is NMN and what does it do? Well, it stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide, but the actual name isn't important. It's a precursor to NAD, which is a natural molecule in your body that's critical for all sorts of really important things like energy production and DNA repair. But the problem is, like everything else in our bodies, NAD levels take a nosedive as we age. It's downhill, baby, whether you're talking about collagen, bone density, whatever. So the idea is by taking NMN daily, you're providing a building block that your body needs to produce more NAD, which will keep you healthier and counter some of the effects of aging. The super important thing is that you buy genuine NMN. So there was a recent scandal where the supplements of several big brands were analysed and found to contain very little or no NMN at all. So for that reason, I switched to NMN Bio, because you can send them the batch number on the individual jar you buy, and they will respond with a quality analysis certificate specifically for that batch. So that gave me confidence in what I'm taking. So when a brand just states, oh, we do third-party independent testing, how do you know? Like, where's the proof? So the last NMN brand I used, I did a home NAD test, which is basically where you do a finger prick blood test, and you send it off to a lab for the results. So I did before I started taking it, and then 3 months later, and my NAD had hardly changed, so I started to doubt. So that's another thing you can do to make sure you're getting a real product. You can try your own NAD home test with one of these kits, and I'll link below. So I take one 500 milligram capsule before breakfast every morning, and some days I may double that. So multiple studies like this one from 2022 confirm that all NMN doses up to 1,250 milligrams per day are safe with no serious adverse effects. So let's get to the claims. Number 1 and number 2 I'm going to combine because they're quite similar. So mitochondrial function and energy plus supporting muscle function and recovery. So mitochondria are the power plants of our cells and produce energy. If your skin cells have plenty of energy, they'll be plump and healthy and younger. If your muscles have plenty of energy, then you have more strength. This is where I've seen the biggest change, specifically with having more energy to work out and recovery post-workout. So there's definitely some improvement happening due to taking NMN. I feel like I have as much energy as I did 5 years ago. I don't feel like I'm 50 or like I've aged in that respect. The biggest change for me has been my day-to-day energy. I don't hit that 3 p.m. wall like I used to. This study confirms NMN spiked those blood NAD levels by 43%, which actually lines up with what I felt in real life. Benefit number 3, NMN supports brain function and cognition. The studies in this area have mainly been done on rats, so if you're not a rat, then maybe it's not relevant for you. The reduced brain fog claims from people are anecdotal. Now, I regularly walk out the front door and forget something and have to go back maybe once or twice sometimes. I regularly go to the supermarket to buy one specific thing, and I'll buy something else and completely forget it. So, at 50, I think that it's normal that you start forgetting stuff, but would I be even worse without NMN? Is it actually helping me like on a baseline level? I have no scientific way to prove that. So for this particular claim, I can't say yes or no. It's kind of the jury's out. Benefit number 4, healthier, thicker hair. A Japanese study proved this due to an increase in amino acids. I didn't even know about this benefit, and I think, yes, my hair is really thick and healthy. It is thinning a little bit at the temples, but I would say for a 50-year-old, I have, great hair. So I think NMN is probably helping in this respect. That's definitely a yes. There's also lots of information about how NMN can stop hair going grey. For me, that's definitely not the case because I have noticed more and more grey hairs over the last 5 years. Benefit number 5, better sleep. Now for me, NMN did nothing for my sleep. I tend to go through periods of insomnia, whether I'm taking NMN or not. So if you're buying NMN to improve your sleep, then I would say it's a waste of money. Don't bother. Benefit number 6, promotes DNA repair and reduces inflammation. So with these claims, I'd need some kind of blood test or some kind of analysis. So again, the jury's out. I can't say for sure. I feel great. I don't suffer from inflammation, but is that due to no seed and vegetable oils and a good diet, or taking NMN? Who knows? Benefit 7, improves skin health and appearance. I think NMN probably does help with your skin. Although I use sun protection and various skincare, I think it's doing something in the background. So as a conclusion, the bottom line is that NMN has been proven safe. So although you should always get medical advice if you're unsure, and this is not medical advice, this is a pretty safe supplement to try. You may find it gives you great benefits, and if not, then the only thing you lose is a bit of money, and it's not that expensive. 30 500 milligram capsules cost £40, $55 or €70. Use code 10years for a 15% saving at checkout. They're vegan and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. For me personally, knowing that I have a genuine supplement gives me more confidence, and after 5 years, I do think it's helping me to age healthy. Even though some of the claims I don't agree with, I will keep taking this as I am seeing benefits. So please comment below if you're using NMN and let me know what benefits you've seen, if any. I read and respond to every comment. You may also want to check out my other video where I spoke with the founder of the company and got lots of in-depth information about NMN. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.